Good morning friends, good morning my students. Welcome back to my channel Prajot Coaching Classes. Today we are going to learn about the topic SSC Board 4th Standard chapter number 19 Adjective. Okay. So what is the mean of adjective? Do you know that? What is the adjective?
An adjective is a word which modifies a noun or pronoun by adding something.
Okay. Here. What is adjective? Define adjective.
An adjective is a describing word. It tells us more about a noun.
Okay. Now, adjective, that means an adjective is a describing word. It tells us more about a noun. For example, a straight line. There is a line, but that line is a straight. That means straight is what? Your adjective. Understand?
Yes.
It is a very simple. Now, second example, a round table. Square table is there also, round table is there, but here we mention only a round table. That means the word to describe the perfectly noun. Okay, describing about that. So that is the adjective. They are attractive. A round table. That means a table is there, but it is a round in shape. Understand? So this is the adjective. Write down this. Here we are solving the exercise for adjective. Exercise question number 1. Write down. Put a tick mark for the most suitable adjective in this below examples. Okay. Now first is the prince wore a golden or black crown on his head. So prince is there, right? So prince used to which kind of crown? Golden always, right? Because he is a prince now. So we are using golden, which is the most suitable adjective for this sentence. Understood? Now the second, read carefully the sharp or blunt. What is the meaning of blunt? Which is not sharp, right?
Yes.
Sharp is a having very much sharpness on that knife. So the sharp knife may hurt your fingers, or the blunt knife may hurt your finger. Which one is correct?
Sharp.
Sharp. So here
Sharp.
sharp is most suitable for this sentence. Okay. Now read the third sentence. The threw the torn new shoes into the dustbin. Okay. When we are getting the new shoes, the useless shoes we thrown to the dustbin, right? So here the suitable noun is she threw the torn shoes into the dustbin or new shoes into the dustbin.
Torn.
Torn shoe. Torn means what?
Pronoun.
Which is broken. Okay? Now next one is everyone was pleased at the boy's rude reply, or everyone was pleased at the boy's polite reply. Which one
Polite.
is correct?
Polite.
Because today's generation is now we know all
Polite.
everything, right? So next one is the faithful lamb followed Mary everywhere, and the sly lamb followed Mary everywhere. Now Mary is who? Who is a Mary?
Jesus' wife.
Okay. Now the faithful lamb followed Mary, or the sly. What is the meaning of sly?
Clever.
Sly means
Clever.
So which adjective is suitable for this word?
Faithfully.
This sentence. The
Faithful.
faithful lamb followed Mary everywhere. So we are taking on faithful. Okay. Now do this. The next 6, 7, 8 I am writing here. So 6 is the rose is a beautiful flower, or the rose is ugly flower.
Beautiful.
Beautiful flower. Okay. So the correct adjective for this word is
Beautiful.
this sentence is beautiful. Now here the seventh one. The lion is tame animal, or the lion is wild animal. We know the lion.
Yes.
So lion is where he stay in the jungle, forest, right? But lion is a wild animal. We know that.
Yes.
So what is the meaning of tame?
Pet.
Pet.
Pet animal. So lion is not a pet animal, right? So here the correct adjective for this sentence is
Wild.
Wild. So tick on that wild word. Okay. Now there are eighth one, last one. There are many yellow flowers in the field, or there are many green flowers in the field. Tell me you. What is the correct adjective for this word?
Yellow.
Yellow. Why yellow is there?
Because the flower is always yellow color, not in green.
Okay, green is what? Leaves and
Stem.
stem. Okay. So here for this sentence there are many yellow flowers in the field is the correct answer. Now write down this. Now in the second question, I am writing here one story on board. Okay. You may tick the correct adjective, underline on that adjective only. Okay.
Start.
Here I am writing one story. Okay. Over this board. You may copy from this. Now I am reading for you. Okay. Listen carefully. Once an old donkey walked along a narrow path through a thick forest. Under a large tree sat a hungry wolf. Okay, that's a plump donkey for a meal, thought the wolf, and he quickly barred the path of the donkey. The nervous donkey thought, now he will kill me. What shall I do? The donkey had a bright idea. Okay, so he pretended to limp. The wolf wondered how the donkey had got hurt. Why are you limping? He asked the donkey. Here one more paragraph is there, but the board is not much that, so I am not writing full paragraph over here, right? So till here we are just underline the adjective on that paragraph. Okay, so come on, start. Tell me. Once an old donkey. Here, old is what? Adjective. So old, underline on old word. Write down. Then walk along a narrow path. Path is there, but how the path is
Narrow.
described? Narrow. So describing word is always adjective. So narrow is a adjective here. Okay. After that, under path through a thick forest. Forest is there, but thick. Under a large tree. Which one?
Large.
Large one is a adjective. Large tree sat a hungry wolf. Wolf is there, but he is a
Hungry.
So hungry is also describing word. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Now do the next and give me the answers. Do it fast. Now in the next paragraph, tell me the answers. That's a plump donkey. That means
Plump.
is adjective. For a meal, thought the wolf, and he quickly barred the path. Quickly is a describing word. Path of the donkey. The nervous donkey. Nervous is also adjective.
Yes.
The nervous donkey thought, now he will kill me. What shall I do? The donkey had a bright idea. He having the idea. What has idea is
Bright.
bright. So bright is
Idea.
adjective. Now he pretended to the limp. The wolf wondered.
Wonder.
Okay. How the donkey had got hurt. Why are you limping? He asked the donkey. Till here we stopped right now. Copy this. I am writing the one more paragraph over here. Okay.
Start.
Now the next one. The donkey said, Sir, there is a sharp thorn in my hind leg. Which leg?
Hind.
What is the meaning of hind leg?
Back leg.
Back leg. Okay. Would you pull it out for me? मतलब डोंकी क्या बोल रहा है wolf को कि thorn गया है, काटा. Thorn means काटा. Okay. Thorn is in his hind leg, back leg. So the wolf went behind the donkey and bent down to remove the thorn. Okay. As he did so, the donkey gave him a hard kick. Which kind of kick is there?
Hard.
Hard. So hard is what? Describing what? So hard is what?
Describe.
Adjective. Adjective here. In his mouth and run away. The poor wolf Wolf is
Poor.
So describing word is
Poor.
Poor, underline on that word. Wolf was left licking his wound. Okay, so here are the 12 adjectives in this story. So comment in comment box and send me the answers of this adjective word story from the story. So if you watch my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Share to your friends, and if you have any suggestion, any doubt, so please share them and keep in the comment box. Thank you very much from Prajat Coaching Classes.